Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. Today I've got an update for you on my Adams pressure washer version 2.0. I know I just dropped the main review video just a couple of weeks ago, and I totally did not expect to be doing a update video on it this soon, but here we are. So if you haven't seen my main review video on the Adams pressure washer 2.0 that I posted about 2 weeks ago, I'll link it right up here. I do suggest that you go and watch that video first. That way it'll give you a lot more context, a lot more background as to my experience with this machine, and then come right back here and watch this update video to see how it's held up. Okay, so if you've already seen that video, or if you've gone ahead and watched it and you've come right back, then let me give you a little bit of an overview of our timeline. So as I said in the main review video, I purchased Adams pressure washer version 2.0 about 1.5 to 2 years ago. I used that first machine for about 2 months or so before it died on me. The motor and the pump were obviously defective, so I returned it to Adams. They sent me a brand new one free of charge, and that one lasted about a year. And just about 2 months ago, it died on me. Again, the motor and the pump failed. So my new machine that Adams sent out to me, again, free of charge, my third machine from Adams. I hate to say it, but after only about 6 weeks or so of use, it also died. So first thing this morning on the job, as I'm getting my equipment and tools set up, getting ready to go, I set up my pressure washer and I'm getting ready to clean the rubber floor mats. So I get the pressure washer totally hooked up. I've got water running to it, and I pull the trigger to run water through the hose and out the nozzle before I even turn the machine on. And then I go ahead and turn the machine on, and I hear a very distinct crack and a snap inside the motor compartment. And then water starts gushing out right out from under the machine, and I really can't even get any water out of my trigger gun. So that tells me all the water is going into the pump and going right straight out onto the ground, because most likely the pump, the motor has cracked and is absolutely useless. So as a mobile detailer, obviously I have to deal with the 4 seasons, and right now we are in the middle of winter. So after every job that I use the machine, I winterize it. I load it up with pressure washer pump saver solution, and then I put the machine in my truck and it sits there overnight in freezing temperatures. And I've never had a problem with that method. Last winter with my second version of the machine, I used this method and I never had a problem with the pump cracking or breaking due to freezing temperatures. And so far with this machine, this winter I've not had an issue. Again, I winterize it after every use, so I should not have this issue of the pump breaking or cracking. Now my only logical conclusion is that the motors that are being put in this machine are absolute garbage. Now I've only been using this particular machine for about 6 weeks. So over 6 weeks, let's say on average, I used it between 25 to 30 times. If you're a homeowner and you only plan on using this thing maybe 2, 3, 4 times a month, that would average out to less than 1 year of use. And that's at part-time use at best. So really, Adams, you guys advertise that this machine is made with the detailer in mind. How is a professional detailer that is going to use this machine nearly every day supposed to rely on something that barely lasts 6 weeks? So again, send this machine back to the drawing board, or advertise it more as a part-time, homeowner-friendly machine rather than a professional caliber machine. So as you can imagine, after 3 tries with this machine, I contacted Adams and I just told them that I wanted a total refund. And as always, Adams customer support was spot on. They didn't fight me whatsoever. They agreed right away to a total refund. So I'm happy with that. But rest assured, I am not going to be going with a 4th version of this machine. So as I'm contemplating my next pressure washer, I think I'm just going to pony up and move on to a more professional grade pressure washer rather than having to deal with these kind of issues. It's a toss-up right now between the Krenzla 1622 or the AR Blue Clean Pro 675. Both are excellent names in the industry. They both got great spec numbers, and most importantly, they're both professional caliber machines, which should provide years of longevity and reliability, which is most of all what I'm looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this video update, everyone. Again, I did not expect to be making this video so quickly, but I wanted to keep you guys informed just in case you guys are shopping this machine and comparing it with other machines. If I were you, I would stay away from the Adams pressure washer 2.0. Maybe their third version will be better. Maybe they'll listen to feedback like this and start using a more high quality pump. But until then, if I were you, I would just steer clear from the Adams pressure washer version 2.0. So if you did enjoy this video, and if it was helpful for you, please don't hesitate to give us a like right down below. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss any future auto detailing content, product reviews, tips and tricks, and product updates just like this. So as always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.